Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook albacore tuna. First, let's talk about preparation. Always start with fresh, firm albacore tuna loins, ideally about 1 inch thick. Before you do anything else, it's crucial to pat the tuna completely dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve a beautiful sear. Then, season both sides generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you like, such as dried dill or a touch of garlic powder. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's move on to pan-searing, a fantastic method for albacore. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, like cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's quite hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high-smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place the seasoned tuna loins in the pan. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side for a perfect medium rare, or slightly longer if you prefer it more cooked. This quick sear locks in the flavor. Achieving the right doneness is key to enjoying albacore tuna. For the best flavor and texture, you want the center to be a beautiful pink, not raw but not fully cooked through. An instant read thermometer should register around 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Overcooking is the biggest mistake. It turns the tuna dry and tough, losing its delicate qualities. So, keep a close eye on it and remove it from the heat promptly. Once your tuna is perfectly cooked, the final steps are simple but important. First, let the tuna rest on a cutting board for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful result. Then, using a sharp knife, slice the tuna against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. Drizzle with a light lemon dill sauce, a soy ginger dressing, or simply a squeeze of fresh lemon. Serve immediately with your favorite fresh vegetables or a crisp salad for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.